Hello folks, Mike over at Firkins with a new addition to the family. This one here is a 2019 Jetta R-Line edition, which comes standard with HID headlights, alloy wheels. This one also has the optional sunroof in it. Again, this is a R-Line edition. On the inside, it comes with the leather trimmed Icelandic interior with power windows, power locks. This also is equipped with heated seats. It also has a 7-inch screen that has a backup camera built in, and it has a oversized sunroof in this one as well. Folks, this vehicle is only available at Firkins, so give Mike a call over at Firkins. Phone number here is 941-748-6510. Thank you.